my name is Sharon C and we have another foundation review for you guys. I was in Walmart the other day and I came across the Uoma, hopefully I'm saying that correctly, the Uoma foundation, and I was like, wait, I thought this was at Ulta, and you guys, she released it at Walmart for half the price. So there are so many shades here. It was a huge display in Walmart and I was just shocked to see this. I was like, I thought Uoma was like a luxury, more prestige brand. It's $39 at Ulta, and I googled it and you can now get the same thing at Walmart for half the price. I'm excited though that now it's more affordable, because $39, not gonna lie, is a little expensive for a foundation. For the average person, your girl be broke. I got mine for $14.98. Oh, on my eyes, by the way, I have the Kaleidos Flower Punk palette. I used these really fun greens on the end here, and I do have colored contacts in again today from TTDI. These are in the shade Queen Brown, and I think they just look really cool. They're like a funky brown, and I'm wearing this fun shirt and I was like, oh my gosh, it has green and purple. So I had to match that and do all that fun stuff. I am so excited to be testing this out. It was a little difficult, not gonna lie, to pick out a shade for myself. I got mine in the shade Fair Lady T3. This does come in 1 fluid ounce as well. And again, the display was a little funky. I should have taken a picture of it. But here it is. It's in a glass bottle, and then on the top there are several different colors. I think 3 or 4 different colors. And depending on, so I think it goes like light, fair, medium, and then dark. And the colored lid determines like if it's the fair or light, so the blue is like the light range, and I went based off of like what it looked like on my wrist and stuff, so hopefully this matches me okay. It's available in 6 unique formulas, and also the colored cap determines what is mixed in there as well. So the blue cap is infused with green coffee extract specifically formulated for fair skin. It's long lasting, transfer proof with a soft, radiant, natural finish. It's a skin perfecting balm, and it has skincare ingredients in it to help with your skincare needs, making it a makeup skincare hybrid. It is dermatologist tested. Oh, recycle bottle and pump. It says a flawless IRL, flawless in real life skin perfecting foundation. So by Uoma by Sharon C. So it's available in 30 shades. It's a foundation, serum, moisturizer, and beauty balm all in one, which is really cool. It's supposed to help have a blurring effect and diminish pores, fine lines. You guys, this has a lot of claims to it, so I'm excited to see if this holds up at all. If you're new to my channel, as you can see, I have hyperpigmentation. My skin is more on the normal to dry side, but with the summer coming around, I am experiencing a little bit of oil like around my nostrils and that kind of stuff, just, you know, with being hot outside. But that is the skin. I obviously have acne, as you can see, and discoloration, all that fun stuff. But if you have similar skin to me, hopefully this review will help you out a lot. My skin has come a long way. I have several different skincare routine videos during different stages of my skin stuff, so definitely check all of that out. But I'm beyond excited to test this out. This intro was too long. Let's dive in. As you guys know, I like going in with a sponge and a brush. I always use the Sigma F80 brush, which is in my brush set. It's called the Beautiful You brush set with Sigma, and also comes with the E40 and the E25, which are my favorite brushes from Sigma, so definitely check that out. I always have it linked down below with a discount code as well, so please support your girl. And I'm going to be using the Real Techniques beauty sponge here on the other side. This is like by far my favorite drugstore sponge, and Real Techniques is pretty available anywhere. You can get these at TJ Maxx, Walmart, Target, pretty much everywhere. So let's dive in. Again, I got mine in the shade Fair Lady T3, and hopefully this matches me all right. It was super hard to do it, you know, kind of do the color matching in the store. I'm going to go in with the silicone-free priming moisturizer by Good Molecules. I'm going to do this on this side of my face, so this is my left side. Let that soak in a little bit while I go in with the foundation on this side with the sponge. All right, this might be a little light for me. The medium definitely looked too dark, but I probably could go darker on the fair side, if that makes any sense. Again, it was very hard to distinguish what was what. I can't tell if this has a smell or if it's my sponge. It might be my sponge. But holy crap, coverage. Oh my gosh, and the oh my gosh. Zooming in, there's just such a nice radiance to it. Hopefully you can see. There's just like a really pretty luminosity to it. Oh my gosh. Now, I'm not sure if it's, you know, obviously the wet sponge or if it's the foundation, so I'll have to see what it looks like on the foundation brush side. Oh, it looks really pretty. It is clinging to some of the dryness on my forehead here. That actually, like, I don't even look like I have makeup on. It just evened everything so nicely. So let's go in on this side. And I'm still getting that same luminosity with the brush, which is great. It's a very liquidy, serum-y feeling foundation. I mean, it did say it was makeup and skincare in one. It's not doing the best of covering up some of these blemishes and texture on my forehead. I'm not liking it with the brush too much because I feel like you can definitely see like the brush strokes. Here's the brush side, and then here is the sponge side. I definitely like it on the sponge side better, so I'm just gonna go in and kind of like fix this up here, but you can tell it definitely didn't cover up. I keep feeling cat hairs. There we go, finally got it. So I'm just blending it all out. Guys, I had no expectations for this. I just picked it up because I saw it was new. My skin looks so healthy and glowy. It's not doing the best job of covering up some of my hyperpigmentation, like the scarring and stuff. And I've got this big honker down here, but that's all right. Like, it just looks so even and everything. Let's go in with some concealer. I think I'm gonna dive in with, I'm going with the e.l.f. Hydrating Concealer, which you can also get at Walmart. Did you hear that? The guy who lives across from me lifts weights. He deadlifts in his garage, and he does it every single day, and then he drops the weight. It's so irritating. Months ago, he was like, I'm gonna pick up some pads when they go on sale. He's a bro for sure, and it's just, I'll hear like his weight dropping for hours. It's so irritating. Oh my gosh. Everything looks fantastic. I'm gonna go ahead and just set with my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, all that fun stuff, finish the rest of my makeup, and I'll be right back. The time right now actually is 2:38. It is a little bit later in the day, but I'm gonna go ahead and just, so this is it, not being set, 2:38. I'll be right back. Hello, it's 2:55. I have my entire face makeup on. Ooh, I have Kara Beauty eyelashes on in the style A3. Love Kara Beauty eyelashes, and they're a smaller brand, so I love supporting smaller brands, and I'm a Kara Beauty affiliate as well, but I buy all their stuff on my own anyway. I have this lipstick on from Essence in the color Free, and I just dabbed that on a little bit there. Just got some Maybelline Masterchrome highlight on. We got some Essence bronzer. I did a little bit of my Essence blush. Oh my gosh. And then I set it with the Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day setting spray. So here's what it is looking like. Like I said, it's a little bit later in the day. But yeah, I finished putting everything on at 2:38. But oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with how all of this is looking, and the foundation feels amazing. I'm zooming in as far as I can go, and like, it looks so good. It is like emphasizing some of the texture in my forehead, as you can see. This is the primed side, and it does look a little bit more wrinkly. Looks a little bit smoother on this side on my cheek area, but otherwise, I mean, it all looks pretty much the same. So here's my makeup. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hello, it's 3:37 right now, and I'm in front of my window in my beauty room. I haven't had this foundation on for too long, but holy crap, it looks absolutely flawless. I'm obsessed with how it's looking. I'm just about to head out to the door. I'm gonna hang out with my younger brother, who actually was on my YouTube channel not that long ago. He did the younger brother, the brother picks my makeup video. Oh, this lighting is absolutely horrible. You can really see the contacts now too. But I'm gonna hang out with him for a little bit, and I'll be checking in. I'll probably do a little car moment to show you what the foundation is looking like as well. Hello, I'm driving. I'm gonna get some coffee. I think I wanted to show you guys what my makeup looks like out in the sun. I'm focusing on the road. Ugh. My car has been having some issues. It's like a newer car, and I don't know why it's like acting all funny. I've been a mechanic for the past like month. Well, my boyfriend has been, but I've just been like googling and looking up all this stuff. It's just nuts. I'm like, what in the world is going on here? But anyway, oh, there's a guy training his puppy. That's so cute. Here's what the makeup looks like and everything. It looks good. Green light, let's go. All right, I'll catch you guys in a little bit. All right, you guys, it is 10:30 almost here. So I've had the foundation on for about 8 hours, right? If I ended the foundation at like, what, 2:38 or something like that, and it's almost 10:30. I mean, a little bit less than 8 hours. We'll round up, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna zoom in here. Oop, as I smack the camera, I have not seen, according to the viewfinder, from what I can see, the foundation looks really good. I took the contact lenses out. I was doing some gaming with my little brother before he heads out on a trip. I was spending some quality time with him, so that was fun. I was like, oh, my eyes, I need to take these contacts out, but I have a mirror here. Oh, a lot of you guys asked me where I got this mirror from. This is from Forever 21, and I got it like a long time ago, like several years ago, like 4 years ago, something like that. I think it's super cute. It's just a little heart. Holy crap, this foundation looks so good. Oh my gosh, like, okay, this is the primed side. It looks really smooth. It doesn't look cakey. It doesn't look makeup-y. Okay, what? Uoma, I see you. This seriously is the best drugstore foundation yet, and it's at Walmart. You guys, go to Walmart, pick this up right now. That's all I gotta say about it with this. I do have one pustule right here, but I have been breaking out a little bit just from trying out, you know, different makeup and stuff like that, but it's like not settling in at all anywhere. It just looks really smooth. I mean, I have a little bit of like settling into my forehead lines, but otherwise, shocked. Run to Walmart and get it. Wow. Wow.